Welcome to Fixing with Friends, land of terrible lighting and subpar editing. So on this channel, it's myself and friends fixing our cars, because if we're doing it, why not film it, and if you want to watch it, you can do that. We have a lot of cool stuff planned as the channel grows, so make sure you like and subscribe and whatever else makes YouTube happy. Offhand, some things means including you guys in some of the projects. Helping you with your cars. One of the things we want to do down the line involves junkyards. I won't get into that just yet, because that's a bit of a surprise for down the road. Down the line is building either a muscle car or a supercar from scratch. Let's call it a budget supercar. If nothing else, it will be entertaining, even if it's not good. Some of the other stuff that kind of want to do for fun is just building some experimental engine designs, not because they're going to be earth-shattering or something, but just because they'd be kind of cool to see. And it's not the kind of stuff that you see or that I've seen on YouTube, so it'd be nice to get some variety out there, and if it's stuff that we're going to be doing anyway, that'd be great. Yeah, that sort of stuff is only going to happen if people support the channel. We're not planning on monetizing the videos. I don't like ads in videos at all, ever. I don't think they belong there. It's a waste of our time. It's a waste of your time. If you want to support the channel, it's free. Just hit subscribe or like the videos, comment, whatever YouTube likes. We'll see how this goes.